Welcome back to Uduskitchen. Today we are turning a classic Nigerian snacks into a smooth, stress-free process. Yes, we are making crunchy, golden Nigerian Chin Chin, but with a twist. I'm showing you a genuine way to cut Chin Chin faster using a manual pasta or noodle maker. Trust me, this trick will blow your mind. Let's start by making our delicious Chin Chin dough. So we start by sieving 2.5 cups of flour into a mixing bowl. And after sieving the flour, add to it half tablespoon of baking powder. Also went in with a pinch of salt. And next I added 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then mix them together. And after mixing, I also added to it half tablespoon of nutmeg. Also mix together. And after mixing and it is well combined, added to it few drops of vanilla essence. To it also, I added 3 tablespoons of butter. And next I added to it an egg. And then mix all the ingredients together. And after mixing for some time with the spatula, for the dough to be well mixed, I removed the spatula and continue the mixing with my hands. This is to ensure that all the ingredients are well combined. And after mixing all the ingredients and they are well combined, make a hole at the middle. Then add in half cup of liquid milk. Add it bit by bit and mix together until it forms a dough. The measurement of these ingredients are just a guide. And so if you are going to make more chin chin, all you need to do is to double all the ingredients. I'll also be listing out all the measurement of all the ingredients in the description area. Please ensure that the mixture of the dough is not too soft, as chin chin dough mixture is harder than the one used for egg roll. And if your dough becomes too soft, just add little flour to it and mix so that it becomes hardened. And after mixing and it becomes a dough, cover and allow to rest for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'll be bringing it back. Transfer to a flat surface. Once your dough is ready, divide it into 3 equal parts. This makes it easier to manage when rolling and cutting. Now, here is the game changer. This is my manual pasta and noodles maker. But today, it is my chin chin machine. It is perfect for rolling and cutting chin chin quickly, neatly, and with less effort. First, I roll each dough portion flat using the roller section. You want it just thick enough so the chin chin fries up crunchy, not hard. After kneading and flattening the dough, I'll set aside and repeat the same process for all of them. Next, I cut the flattened dough into long strips. Place the strips horizontally and cut through the wider cutter first, one after the other. You can see how fast it is. So I'll repeat the same process for all the dough. You can cut your dough smaller than this, depending on the size of chin chin you want. You can see that this is so easy and very fast, as it doesn't take time to cut out the chin chin. And after cutting them out, this is how they look like. So I've set aside, and now let's try the other side of the pasta maker. I repeat the process using the smaller cutter. It gives you that perfect chin chin size in half the time. No more hand cutting every tiny piece. And after cutting out the chin chin, we go ahead to fry them. So I start by frying the smaller size in a preheated oil that is not too hot. I'm doing this because of the size of the dough. I'll also be frying it on a medium heat. After transferring it to the oil, do not stir immediately. Allow to fry for between a minute or two so they don't break. And after 1 to 2 minutes, stir and then allow to fry until it becomes golden brown. Once golden brown, remove from the oil. Then you have your chin chin ready. You can see that this method is so easy and simple to make chin chin. And this also came out very beautiful. After removing them from the oil, next we proceed to fry the other. So I'll be adding that to the oil too. Allow to fry for a minute before stirring. Then also be frying it on a medium heat. Fry until it becomes golden brown. Once it becomes golden brown, remove from the oil. And that is it. Crunching butter Nigerian Chin Chin, done in record time. Thanks to this pasta cutter hack. Whether you are making for families, friends, or even for sale, this method saves time and gives you a neat finish every time. Allow to cool down completely and store in an airtight container as this can last many days at home. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Uduskitchen for more smart home hacks and easy recipe. See you in the next one.